1:30 p.m. December 16th, 2020. Today, we're supposed to have a big snowstorm. Really don't want to. Well, you see, we had a little bit the other day, not much at all. The car's getting ready out here, covering up. That's what it looks like for now. I want springtime every day, all year. Everything's covered up. I hope it misses us. Please miss us. I see a few flakes. Do you see a few flakes? Oh, the snow keeps up. Hi! Then it won't come down. See a little bit of flakes? Where do you see it in an hour or two? You can still see the cars. A little bit more. Oh boy. Uh-oh. We got some snow now. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Where's the cars? We don't like it. Look out there. Where's the cars at? Come on. Go away. Oh, how does that look? It's about 9:15. I'd say there might be, I don't know, 10 inches or a foot out there. No, it sounds like it's sleeting. Do you hear it? It's awful cold out. What's the temperature outside? 23 degrees outside and windy. This is why I like spring. Can't even see that car, can you? There's a car there. There's a truck and another car. Whew. Here we are. My truck. My truck. Hey.
Hey.
There's the snow. There's the snow we got. Wow. Neighbor's plowing up there. That's good. He helps us out because that's the guy I cut his grass on. So he plows for us. Where are you going with that? Gotta start these cars up.
Yep.
We're getting them moved. I moved them down into the grass. Good thing they're both four-wheel drive. I'll clean them off over there. Neighbor will plow that clear. Time to eat. What are you doing?
Not yet.
Come on. He's gonna run into the camera. Good job, good job. No, he's not smiling. What's wrong with you, he said. Oh, we're getting there. Moved all the cars. Neighbor helped me clean it off. Look at this. How clean. Winter wonderland, which I could do without. Should get my lawnmower out, huh? I'll get my lawnmower out. So we gotta clean up a little bit here and put everything back and wait for springtime. Getting there. Almost done. You're doing a good job. Just gonna move that up here. Mailman came already. I don't know why. It's only 8:30 in the morning. Waiting for springtime. Time to eat.
We should have put something in the Hot Logic.
Yeah. Are you shoveling today? Or is it nice where you live? Are you sitting by the pool watching us? Well, we're glad it wasn't worse. Right? Must have got it like a foot. They said we're going to get 20 some inches, right?
Yeah, we got lucky, I guess.
You never know. All right, thanks for watching. I'm going to go bring that car up here and go get something to eat and take a nap. Mush! Mush!
I think I got some help here, but I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. I was looking for my helper. Pumpkin Man is here.
It's me. Howdy, neighbor. Time to eat.
All right, let's go in.